Okay, last class we discussed about the Cannizzaro reaction. So Cannizzaro reaction, so no alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds involved in Cannizzaro reaction. So Cannizzaro reaction, it is slower than compared to aldol condensation. The rate of reaction, Cannizzaro reaction is slower than compared to aldol condensation. So self-Cannizzaro reaction is a disproportionation reaction, but cross-Cannizzaro reaction, it is a redox reaction. Okay, so the order of reaction in presence of low concentration of base, it is a third order reaction. In presence of high concentration of base, it is a fourth order reaction. Already you know reaction mechanism. So first you see some examples. So 2 moles of formaldehyde undergo Cannizzaro reaction in presence of strong base equal to 50% NaOH or greater than 50% NaOH to give formic acid and methyl alcohol. So another example, benzaldehyde. This compound also have no alpha hydrogen. It undergo Cannizzaro reaction to give 1 mole benzoic acid, 1 mole benzyl alcohol. Okay. Now it is a self-Cannizzaro reaction. So in self-Cannizzaro reaction, disproportionation takes place. Okay. So already you know general mechanism. Okay. So already you know general mechanism. Once I write a general mechanism. So first one, so it is a first type mechanism. Here the reaction takes in presence of basic medium. This pi bond electron shifted to here, OH minus attacks here. It is converted to O minus, OH, H. It reacts with another mole of formaldehyde. So there is two possibilities. When this pi bond electron shifted to here, this lone pair of electron shifted to here, hydrate shift takes place. You get, so when this lone pair of electron shifted to here, this hydrate shifted to here, this pi bond electron shifted to here, we get CH3 O minus plus HC double bond OH. It is a carboxylic acid. It donating the H plus ion to give CH3OH plus HC double bond O minus. Now we treated with dilute acidic medium to give formic acid. So this is a first type mechanism. Already you know this mechanism. In last class I discussed this mechanism. There is 2 steps. When you take 1 mole of OH minus, it is a third order reaction. You take another mole of OH minus, it abstracts the proton. So it is converted to HC O minus H. Okay, it is intermediate 2, it is intermediate 1, it is intermediate 2, which is a good hydrate donor. Second one is a good hydrate donor. Okay, so it is a type 1 mechanism. Now I write another mechanism, another possible mechanism. So it is a second type of mechanism. So HC double bond OH, it reacts with OH minus, this pi bond electron shifted to here, OH minus attacks here, it is converted to CO minus, OH, H. it reacts with another mole of formaldehyde, C double bond OH. This bonded electron shifted to here, O minus attacks here, because carbonyl compounds involve in nucleophilic addition reaction. O minus, it is a nucleophile. Okay. So when it attacks here, you get HC, H, OH, O, C, O minus, H, H. You get this one. Now you get this intermediate. Okay. When this lone pair of electrons shifted to here, at the same time this bonded electron shifted to here, hydrate shift takes place. You get CH3, you get CH3 OH plus HC double bond O minus, HC double bond O minus. It treated with dilute acidic medium, you get HC double bond OH. So it is a second type mechanism. Okay, next type 3 mechanism. So it is a first type mechanism, it is a second type mechanism. In here you get the product is 1 mole alcohol, 1 mole formic acid. Here also you get the product is 1 mole alcohol, 1 mole is formic acid. Okay. In third type mechanism, HC double bond OH, OH minus attacks here to give HCO minus, OH, H. It reacts with another mole of aldehyde. This pi bond electron shifted to here, it attacks here to give HCOH, HOC, O minus, H. So this bonded electron shifted to here, this H minus shifted to here, loss of OH minus ion. So loss of OH minus ion, you get CH3 O, C double bond O, H. This compound undergo hydrolysis. It is ester undergo hydrolysis to give CH3 OH plus HC double bond OH. Here also we get the product is CH3OH, HC double bond OH. Now, in Cannizzaro reaction, there is three types of mechanisms are possible. But second and third mechanisms is not considered. Only first mechanism it is granted. Then compared to second and third mechanism. Why second mechanism it is not considered? Because so here the reaction takes in presence of basic medium. It means strong basic medium. So equal to 50% NaOH or greater than 50% NaOH means NaOH dissolve in water. Maybe it contain solvent is water. When this bonded electron shifted to here, it is labeled. So NaOH dissolve in labeled solvent. So here oxygen, it is labeled oxygen. This bonded electron shifted to here, it attacks here. You get HC O minus OH 80 plus H. So it loss of H plus ion. It loss of H plus ion to give this H plus attacks here to give OH 18 H. It loss of water molecule. We get this carbonyl compound. So this carbonyl compound contain labeled oxygen, but in Cannizzaro reaction the products cannot contain labeled oxygen. When you take solvent water, the product cannot contain labeled oxygen. It means the internal attacking cannot possible. Internal attacking cannot possible. Okay, so that's why second mechanism it is not considered. In the next one is the third mechanism. So formation of ester. So ester undergo hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium. So esterification, it is reversible reaction. So already I told you, so formation of in Cannizzaro reaction, the product is alcohol and carboxylic acid. These compounds cannot undergo esterification. So esterification possible in presence of high concentration of acidic medium. Okay, but here the reaction takes in presence of basic medium. So in basic medium, ester formation may be not possible. Okay, so third type mechanism it is also outdated. So only first type mechanism is granted. Okay. Now formic acid, it is always hydrate donor. Why it is always hydrate donor? There is mainly two factors. So one is steric factor. So in formic acid, formaldehyde, it bonded with two hydrogen. So it is less sterically hindered. So it have less steric crowding. So second factor, it have more number of hydrogens. It contain two hydrogens. In remaining aldehyde, for example benzaldehyde, it have only one hydrogen. Okay, it have only one hydrogen. So it have two hydrogen. So that's why formaldehyde, it is a good hydrate donor than compared to remaining aldehydes. That's why formaldehyde always hydrate donor. It means it always converted to formic acid. It always converted to formic acid. Okay. Now some aldehydes, they have no alpha hydrogen, but the compound cannot participate in Cannizzaro reaction. For example, some author says, so CCl3 C double bond OH undergo Cannizzaro reaction. We get the product is CCl3 C double bond OH plus, okay, it undergo oxidation. So another one, it undergo reaction because this compound there is no alpha hydrogen. It undergo oxidation and it undergo reduction. Okay, but here CCl3 C double bond OH, this compound have no alpha hydrogen. It cannot undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Why this compound cannot undergo Cannizzaro reaction? Because already you know iodoform test, iodoform reaction. So CCl3 C double bond OH chloral reacts with base. This pi bond electron shifted to here. OH minus attacks here. It is converted to CCl3 O minus HOH. This pi bond electron shifted to here. This electron shifted to here to give CCl3 minus plus HC double bond OH. It is acid. It donating the H plus ion to give CHCl3 plus HC double bond O minus Na plus. So it is called chloroform. Okay. So CCl3 C double bond OH treated with base to give chloroform. It cannot undergo Cannizzaro reaction, but some authors says it involve in Cannizzaro reaction, but it is not correct. So it reacts with base to give chloroform, to give yellow color precipitate. Okay, pale yellow color precipitate, it is a chloroform. Okay, so when already you know which aldehydes are more reactive towards Cannizzaro reaction, which aldehydes are less reactive towards Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so here depend upon the affinity of donor hydrogen ion, hydride ion. Okay, so for example, ONO2, benzaldehyde, para-methyl benzaldehyde, para-methoxy benzaldehyde, para N-N dimethyl benzaldehyde. Now these compounds treated with base, which one involve in Cannizzaro reaction is more faster? So first one, the order of reactivity depend upon the reactivity of aldehyde. When this pi bond electron shifted here, it have positive charge, OH minus attacks here. So NO2, it is electron withdrawing group. The magnitude of positive charge increases on carbon. So OH minus easily attacks on this carbon. So here there is no electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group. But para position, it is methyl group, it is electron releasing group by hyperconjugation. So OCH3, it is also electron releasing group by resonance. So NCH3, it is also electron releasing group by resonance. Okay, now NO2, it is a minus M group, minus R group, minus M group or minus R group. Methyl group, it is a plus HC hyperconjugation, it is electron releasing group. It is a minus I plus R. So it is also minus I plus R. So N, it is a strong electron releasing. Now which carbonyl group have more affinity with OH minus? So obviously it is electron withdrawing group. When it withdraws the electrons, the magnitude of positive charge increases on this carbon. Now OH minus easily attacks here. When OH minus attacks on this carbon, we get this intermediate. You get this intermediate. So here also OH minus attacks on this carbon. get this intermediate. So here also same. So based on reactivity, order of reactivity, so NO2 greater than benzene ring greater than paramethyl substituted benzene greater than OCH3 greater than para substituted dimethyl amine. Okay, because it is a strong electron releasing. But now you see here, when it withdraws the electrons, the electron density decreases on oxygen. Okay, when it withdraws the electrons, the electron density decreases on oxygen. When electron density decreases, the ability of transfer of hydride ion, H minus ion, ability also decreases, because this oxygen's electron density decreases because it is electron withdrawing. Okay, but you see here, it is electron releasing group. This oxygen have more electron density. This bonded electron shifted to here, it easily donating the H minus here. Now, so it is a weak H minus donor, but easily involved in Cannizzaro reaction. Involved in Cannizzaro reaction. But it is so this compound, it easily donates H minus ion, but it cannot easily undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so Cannizzaro reaction takes place when OH minus attacks on C double bond O group. So in this compound, OH minus ion easily attacks C double bond O group because it have electron withdrawing. So there is two factors. One is OH minus attacks which carbonyl group. So another one is which ion easily donate H minus ion. So here you consider which factor. Okay, there is two factors. So one compound easily undergo Cannizzaro reaction, but it is a bad hydride donor. So second one, it is a good hydride donor, but it cannot participate Cannizzaro reaction easily. Okay, so in these two factors, you consider only attacking of OH minus ion. Okay, so OH minus attacks which carbonyl group easily? Okay, so NO2, OH minus attacks NO2 substituted carbonyl group easily. Okay, it undergo oxidation. Okay, so there is two factors. So it have an electron releasing group. When electron releasing group is present, electron density increases on oxygen. When electron density increases, this bonded electron shifted to here, it donating the H minus ion easily. So it is one factor. Another one, it have electron withdrawing group. When it withdraws the electrons, the magnitude of positive charge increases on carbon. Now OH minus easily attacks on this carbon. Okay, so here you consider attacking of OH minus ion. Okay, so now the rate of reaction NO2 substituted carbon is more reactive. Okay, so you refer in Claydon, okay, so NO2 substituted, para NO2 substituted benzaldehyde is 227 times faster than normal benzaldehyde at 25 degrees centigrade temperature. At 100 degrees centigrade temperature, it is 2200 times faster than benzaldehyde. In benzaldehyde, in para methyl benzaldehyde, it is 0.2 times faster. In para methoxy benzaldehyde, 0.4. When para N dimethyl benzaldehyde at 25 degree centigrade temperature maybe cannot participate in reaction. At 100 degree centigrade temperature, it gives 0.004. Okay, percentage of heat. So here also there is no alpha hydrogen, but it cannot participate in Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, because it have electron releasing group. When this pi bond electron shifted to here, this carbocation is stabilized by resonance. Nitrogen have lone pair of electron. This carbocation is stabilized by resonance. So that's why this compound cannot participate in Cannizzaro reaction. So another one, steric crowding aldehydes maybe cannot participate in Cannizzaro reaction. For example, 2,6 dinitrobenzaldehyde, 2,6 dinitrobenzaldehyde, it have electron withdrawing group. It have electron withdrawing group. It cannot participate in Cannizzaro reaction. So because this bonded electron shifted to here, OH minus attacks here. So this bonded electron shifted to here, this electron shifted to here. You get carbon anion. This carbon anion is stabilized by resonance. These two are strong electron withdrawing groups. This carbon anion is stabilized by resonance. Because these two are strong electron withdrawing groups. It donating the H plus ion to give 1,6 dinitrobenzene. This compound also cannot participate in Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. Now next one, crossed Cannizzaro reaction. In crossed Cannizzaro reaction, so for example, two aldehyde groups are different. The reaction takes in presence of basic medium. Already you know which aldehyde undergo oxidation. So self Cannizzaro reaction involving disproportionation reaction, but crossed Cannizzaro reaction involving redox reaction. So formaldehyde always undergo oxidation. It is always hydride donor. It donating the H minus ion. Now you see reaction mechanism. This pi bond electron shifted to here. OH minus attacks here to give O minus OH H. It reacts with the benzaldehyde. This electron shifted to here. This pi bond electron shifted to here. H minus attacks here to give HC double bond OH plus pH CH2O minus. It donating the H plus ion to give O minus plus pH CH2OH. It treated with the dilute acidic medium to give formic acid. So formaldehyde always undergo oxidation to give formic acid. Okay. Now you see some examples in crossed Cannizzaro reactions. One is benzaldehyde, one is paranitro benzaldehyde. Which compound undergo oxidation? Which is more reactive towards Cannizzaro reaction? It is electron withdrawing group. When it withdraws the electrons, the magnitude of positive charge increases. OH minus attacks here. When OH minus attacks here, it is a good hydride donor. H minus attacks here, it is undergo oxidation. It is converted into benzoic acid. Paranitrobenzoic acid. So it is converted into benzyl alcohol. Now you see another example. So meta-hydroxybenzaldehyde. So para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. So OH group, it is always minus A group and plus R group. So resonance effects always present ortho and para position. Resonance effect always present ortho and para position. So it is present at para position. This carbocation, when this pi bond electron shifted to here, it have positive charge. It is stabilized by resonance. When this pi bond electron shifted to here, it have positive charge. It is destabilized by minus I effect. So it is more reactive towards Cannizzaro reaction. This compound undergo oxidation. OH minus attacks here. So meta-hydroxy benzoic acid. So another one is alcohol. Now you see another example. So it is a metachlorobenzaldehyde. Parachlorobenzaldehyde. So halogens, these are minus I groups and plus R groups, but in halogens minus I effect is more dominant than plus R effect due to its small size. So it is a minus I effect. Here also minus I group. So here minus I effect is maximum. Already you know inductive effect decreases when increase the carbon chain. Okay, so here inductive effect is minimum. Here inductive effect is maximum. So it is more reactive towards Cannizzaro reaction. So it is good hydride donor. this compound undergo oxidation to give metachlorobenzoic acid. So parachlorobenzyl alcohol. So when benzene ring have electron withdrawing group, it undergo oxidation. So benzene ring have electron releasing group, it undergo reduction. Okay. Now you see another examples. So it have a methyl group. It have NO2. So it is electron withdrawing group. It is more reactive towards Cannizzaro reaction. It easily undergo oxidation because this pi bond electron shifted here. The magnitude of positive charge increases on this carbon. OH minus attacks on this carbon easily. Then compared to this one, because this positive charge is stabilized by hyperconjugation, it is less reactive than compared to this one. So this one easily undergo oxidation to give paranitrobenzyl paranitrobenzoic acid. So another one is paramethyl benzyl alcohol. Get this. Okay. So it is a crossed Cannizzaro reaction. Okay. So next one. One mole acetone reacts with, so 1 mole acetaldehyde. 1 mole acetaldehyde reacts with excess of formaldehyde in presence of strong basic medium to get which product. So it is a very important question in previous IIT JEE question. Okay, now you see reaction mechanism. The reaction takes in presence of basic medium. It have alpha hydrogen. Already you know alpha hydrogen having carbonyl compounds involve in aldol condensation. So CH3 C double bond OH reaction takes in presence of basic medium. It is acyclic proton. OH minus subtract the proton from this carbon. It is converted into CH2 minus C double bond OH. Okay. Now it reacts with formaldehyde because the reaction takes in presence of excess of formaldehyde. This pi bond electron shifted to here. It attacks here to give CH2O minus C double bond OH. So CH2, this oxygen have negative charge O minus. It abstracts the proton from water. H plus attacks here to give CH2 OH C double bond OH. This carbon have alpha hydrogen. The reaction takes in presence of basic medium. Now OH minus subtract the proton from this carbon to give CH minus C double bond OH. Now it reacts with another mole of formaldehyde because the reaction takes in presence of excess of formaldehyde. This pi bond electron shifted to here, it attacks here to give CH OH O minus C double bond OH. It accepting the proton from water. So it have one alpha hydrogen. It further reacts with base. Base subtract the proton from this carbon. It is converted into carbon anion. O minus, C double bond OH. It reacts with another mole of formaldehyde. This pi bond electron shifted to here. It attacks here. O minus, C double bond OH. So it accepting the proton from water to give now this carbonyl compound, there is no alpha hydrogen. The reaction takes in presence of strong basic medium. Now it involve in Cannizzaro reaction. The reaction takes in presence of excess of formaldehyde. Already you know formaldehyde is a good hydrate donor. So this pi bond electron shifted to here. OH minus attacks here. It is converted to HCO minus OH. H, this bonded electron shifted to here. At the same time, this bonded electron shifted to here. H minus attacks here. Okay. So you get O minus, so it accepting the proton from solvent, so it is acid, HC double bond O, OH donating the H plus ion, the H plus attacks here, so it is called pentaerythritol. It have explosive nature. So in dilute acidic medium to give formic acid. In this reaction, how many moles of formaldehyde consumed in this reaction? So in this reaction, so 4 moles of formaldehyde consumed in this reaction because 3 moles alpha hydrogens involved in aldol condensation. So 1 mole involved in Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so here question is, in this reaction how many moles of formaldehyde involved in aldol condensation? So 3 moles of formaldehyde involved in aldol condensation. Okay, so how many moles of formaldehyde consumed in this reaction? There is 4 moles of formaldehyde consumed in this reaction. Okay, so it is a very important reaction. So another one, it is a crossed Cannizzaro reaction. So another one, intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. So for example, PHC double bond O, CHO, it reacts with OH minus ion, strong OH minus ion. You get how many number of products? You get how many number of products? So already you know general mechanism. So pH, C double bond O, C double bond OH. So already you know aldehydes are more reactive than compared to ketones. Reaction takes in presence of basic medium. This pi bond electron shifted to here. OH minus attacks here. So pH, C double bond O, CO minus, OH, H. So this pi bond electron shifted to here. This electron shifted to here. H minus attacks here. So pH, C O minus H C double bond O OH. So acid it donating the H plus ion to give P CH OH C double bond O minus, treated with dilute acidic medium you get pH CH OH C double bond OH. So it treated with PC double bond O CHO on heating or further treated with H3O plus ion, you get how many number of products? Okay, or in presence of temperature. So question is, so this compound is treated with base followed by hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium, or on heating you get how many number of products. So actually the answer is 1. You get here the product is 1, but answer is not 1. Here you get the number of products is 3. So 3 products. Now you see the product is alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. So C pH H OH C double bond OH. So another one C pH H C double bond OH OH. So on heating it loss of water molecule. So on heating it loss of water molecule. You get this isomer C pH H O C double bond O C double bond O C pH H. So it is a cis isomer. Okay. So now you take a trans isomer, already you know. So trans isomer means two similar groups lie on opposite side. So you write this configuration. So this is a pH H OH C double bond OH C pH H C double bond OH OH. So loss of water molecule. You get this isomer C pH H O C double bond O C pH H H pH C double bond O. You get this product. So here we get two products. One is cis isomer, second one is a trans isomer. But the number of products is 3. So how you can say here we get the number of products 3. Now here you see So it is a trans isomer. It is optically inactive because it have center of symmetry. Okay, it have center of symmetry. So it is optically inactive. But in cis isomer, there is no center of symmetry. There is no center of symmetry. It is optically active. So here you get two products. Here you get one product. The total number of products is 3 products. Okay. So this compound undergo Cannizzaro reaction. You get how many number of products? That is 3 products. Okay. So one is the cis isomer. Another one is trans. So trans optically inactive due to center of symmetry. Okay, so cis it is optically active, no center of symmetry. Okay, so in trans isomer it have a center of symmetry. In cis isomer no center of symmetry. It is optically active. Here you get 2 products. It is 1 product. Total number of products is 3. Okay, so next we discuss about remaining topics. Okay.